Hi and welcome back to the pit. Today we're going to be doing ribs with 3 different flavours hung in my Bristol drum smoker, and we're going to be trying out a little bit of tech that I've been sent, so hopefully all will work well. Stay tuned. So first things first, we're going to hit the ribs with a little bit of olive oil just to act as a binder on the base of the ribs. Then we're going to be rubbing up with 3 different rubs today. So first one is a Korean rub, which is, you've got sole from Angus and Oink. Second one is another Angus and Oink called Thai Rub You Long Time. And lastly we have a Jack and Coke Chipotle barbecue rub. So they're the 3 rubs. I'll get on and rub them up and we'll come back in a minute. Okay, so now we're all rubbed up. We're going to take our hanging hook and we're going to insert it in the thickest end just to the one side of the last bone. So just in here and through, and do the same with the other 2. Once we've done that, I'll get it onto the Bristol drum smoker and I'll show you this little bit of tech. So we are rubbed up, hung up, we've got plenty of oak smoke going, which is what we're going over today, and you may be able to see there's a whole load of wires in here connected to each of the ribs and to a probe at the top here, and that is the little bit of tech. So the kind people over at Ink Bird sent me a 4 probe thermometer to try out. Now you can see because the sun's shining on it, but what you actually are able to do is have 4 independent probes within the drum itself, so you can, if you're cooking 2, 3, 4 larger joints, you can get the independent temperature readouts of each of them. But what it also does very cleverly is links up to an app on your phone, and I'll show you that in a mo. So as I mentioned, this is the app that it links up to on your phone. So you can see we've got the 3 ribs that are in there, 109, 108 and 111, and then the grill cooking temp here, which needs to stop going up, all live readout just on your phone. So I'm off to have a beer and we'll see how these ribs are looking after about 2 hours on the grill, and then we'll look at wrapping them and taking it from there. Right, welcome back. We're about an hour and 30, hour and 40 in. Temperature gauge is showing that we're up at the mid 160s on each of the ribs. So it's about time we get them out and get them wrapped. So let's bring you down. We'll get one out. Oh, the wind is picking up, which is going to make it fun. Right, let's get them out and see what they're looking like. There we go. So what we are going to do is wrap with a little bit of apple and pear juice. Let's make a little parcel first. pop in a little bit of the apple and pear juice. There we go. And wrap that up tight. Right, we'll do the same for the other two, and then we'll come back in a moment. So as you can see, they're all wrapped up now. We're now back to a traditional grate rather than the hanging hooks. So we'll get this closed up and leave them to run now. I would imagine probably going up towards about 195, somewhere around that, 190, 195, and then I'll take them out, unwrap them, give them a little bit of a glaze and see what they look like. Quick update now, we're about 3 hours in and I've just opened them up, start to get them drying down a little bit and give them their first coat of sauce, various different sauces which I'll go through a bit later on when we're coming to serve up. So let's see how it goes. Right guys, I'm starting to lose the light out here now, so let me just see where we're up to. So you can see these are looking pretty good. I thought I'd just cover off the rubs and sauces so that you can see what we've got. So we have the Angus and Oink Tiger style sauce on the Thai rub, the baby Penang sauce on the Korean rub, and the Cottage Delight sticky rib and wing on the Jack and Coke rub. So next time you see the ribs, I'll cut them up and we'll see what they're like. So here we are. This is the Jack and Coke ribs. So let's see what we're dealing with here. Nice smoke ring. Let's see what it tastes like. See the smoke there? Focus. There we go. There you go. Can we get it to focus? There you go. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Can't fault it. So, excuse me. I'd like to say again, thank you to Ink Bird for the new thermometer. What do I love about it? The 4 probe. The app is outstanding with all the temperature tracking. What do I not like about it? Plugging it in to charge it is a little bit fiddly. They could do something to sort of chamfer the edges on that, but apart from that, it's just stunning. It's going to be my go-to thermometer. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Please stay subscribed for more in the future, and let's cut up some more of these beasties because they are good. I'm going to steal that bit. There you go. Yum. Thank you very much for watching. See you again soon.